Hey everyone, today I'm covering how to open a Revolut ISA and invest in UK ETFs commission free. Now, right now, Revolut doesn't offer a stocks and shares ISA in the UK, and you can invest in ETFs commission free through their app. But the good news is Revolut recently got approval to launch these features in the UK with ISAs and ETFs expected soon. When it goes live, you'll be able to open an ISA directly in the Revolut app under the Wealth section, verify your details, fund your ISA, and start investing in UK ETFs without paying commission up to your annual ISA limit. Now, until then, if you want to invest in UK ETFs, commission free inside an ISA, check out alternatives like Free Trade or Trading 212, which already lets you open in ISA and trade ETFs for no commission. Now, if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for updates on when Revolut launches its ISA so you don't miss out on commission free investing.